Hi, welcome to today's video diary for finding my way with Pi, purpose, intention, and emotion. I am Pi, and today I am thinking about how satisfying it feels to mindfully experiment with things in my life to see, is this a good fit for me or is this not a good fit for me? It brings this level of contentment to myself, but also like a trust in myself that I can discover what's right for me as I navigate my life. I would like to give a couple of practical examples. When I mentored women, many of them would say to me, I don't know if I'm doing this right. And what I want people to hear is that there is no right from the outside. There is no one out there who can tell you what is right for you. So you can let that notion go and experience the liberation of letting it go. You get the benefit and the joy of being able to discover what is right for you. Now, this takes some courage. It takes being honest and vulnerable. It does take some effort. And, perhaps a little facing your fears. And yet, some things we can do that are very small interventions. They're very small actions and not so scary, but it's a place to start. It's like getting the ball rolling and gaining some momentum. So what I'm going to describe today are some of those small interventions that can help. This week, I'm learning about mind-body integration, or MBI techniques, in my Master of Arts of Happiness Studies. What this means is that the posture that we have impacts how we feel in our mental state, and vice versa. Our mental state can also impact our posture. Here's an example. Maybe a major disappointment happens during your day, say at work or with a kid, and you feel somewhat defeated and disappointed. When you feel that way, are you sitting tall and confident, or do you slump and feel the defeat of it? That is an example of how your mental state can affect your physical state. Now let's talk about how the physical state can impact the mental state the other way around when we're intentional about it. I have two examples of this. First, and I know, don't roll your eyes if you're not a yoga person, I have a very easy, accessible way for you to do this. If you check out Meditations by Pi, Mind-Body Integration Meditation number 1, just try it. It's about 6 minutes, and it shows how certain postures like sitting tall, hands on the hips, or joyful postures like this to experience joy, or even gratitude with your palms touching your hands over your heart. I can connect you to what that feels like through a meditation to help you connect to experiences in your own life, things in your own heart and in your own story that you felt like that. And then we practice the posture. And it's only a few minutes, and you could do this each day or every other day, maybe even 2 times a week. But you feel the emotion of that. So you can feel confidence, joy, and gratitude, even in those small islands of sanity or sanctuary, as I like to call them, term I've learned in my master's studies. Another practical example of mind-body integration is I have been practicing and experimenting with something called interval walking. So it's where you pick up the pace. If you're taking a walk, you pick up the pace for a short moment, say from this lamppost to that next lamppost, walk quickly, speed walk, and then when you get to that desired lamppost, just slow it down again and you can stroll again and go for a little bit until your breathing returns to normal, and then pick a lamppost and do it again. And I do those intervals like 3 times during the walks that I take each day. I personally already take a walk each day, and even if you don't, a 10-minute walk a day doing this can make a big difference. Why does this make a difference? I have discovered because when I walk quickly, my step is lighter, my shoulders are back. I'm often either fisted or walking with determination. My core is engaged, which symbolizes strength to me. And just those moments, it's like a minute and a half total, maybe 2 minutes of walking quickly. The body language in that, for me, embodies determination, motivation, purpose, intention, energy, enthusiasm, and confidence. And I have found, since I started experimenting with interval walking, the motion combined with the posture, combined with the mental state of the determination that I have for doing the interval walking, it is like the wonder drug for me when I need to get stuff done or feel motivated or feel good and confident and face something no matter what fears I have. Interval walking. Who knew? Super practical, super accessible, very easy way to apply it. So there's 2 ways that the mind-body integration and intervention can help us create this mental state that we seek, create this feeling good about our lives, and create the desired outcomes. And it is combining the wholeness of the mind and the body and the heart. So I hope you check out the meditation. I will get that posted here hopefully tonight. And give it a try. If you feel so inclined, I'd love it if you put in comments a mind-body intervention that you do that works for you, postures or activities or motions that impact your mood and your mental state in a positive way. The best ideas come from each other. I don't have all of them. We all have different experiences, and different experiences work, different techniques work for people. People have unique makeups. It's one of the most beautiful truths and realities of our world. So please share what works for you in comments. And if this was helpful for you as well, please go ahead and share this video with your friends. Thanks for being with me on this journey. I am so glad that you are here, and I hope it helps you too. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.